Hello and welcome back. Building predictive models. In this section, we will talk about the most important aspect of data science, that is, predicting the unknown. Predictive modeling is one of the most useful components of the data science. We will first discuss the difference between the supervised and the unsupervised learning methods, and then we shall proceed on to discuss the regression and the classification problems. We will then talk about regression models, both linear and nonlinear models. We will also try to show what are the pros and cons of all these approaches. We will then close the section with a short hands-on exercise on a use case of a predictive modeling. Supervised versus unsupervised learning. In this video, we will look at first what machine learning is all about. Then we will talk about supervised and unsupervised learning methods. Machine learning. Machine learning is all about extracting the knowledge from the data. It is a research field that is at the intersection of statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer science. The application of the machine learning in recent years has become a lot pervasive and is present everywhere. In everyday life, we can see a lot many applications of machine learning happening, from automatic recommendations of which movies to watch, of which products to buy, or even which songs to listen. The application of the machine learning is making its presence felt in every sphere of life. In a nutshell, machine learning is that discipline that deals with the programming of the system as to make them automatically learn and improve with performance. Here, learning implies recognizing and understanding the input data first, and then taking informed decisions on the basis of that supplied data. Types of machine learnings. There are broadly two types of the machine learnings. The first is the supervised learning, which is widely used, and then we have the unsupervised learning. Supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning algorithms can apply what has been learned in the past to new data using the labeled examples. So here, labeled examples is the key. Let us show you one example. So here, on the left-hand chart, we have two things. We have an image and the label of that image. So here, this duck image is the first thing and the label duck the second thing. So we have for every image a label over here. What we are doing is we are training a supervised learning algorithm onto it, which tells that every image, whether it is a duck or not a duck, and then from that we are making a predictive model, which then is used to classify a random image if that is a duck or not, like in the bottom box on the left hand side. So we are classifying this bird if this is a duck or not. So here, for every image, we have a label. Now, what are some more examples? Whether Spain will lose or win the soccer match. So here we have for every country another label if it will win or lose the match. Another example could be whether an email is a spam or a genuine email. Another example could be trend in the stock market, weather forecast, etc. Now, let us talk about the unsupervised learning. So, unsupervised learning subsumes all kinds of the machine learning where there is no output or no labeled data. Therefore, there is no teacher to instruct the learning algorithm. In supervised learning, the learning algorithm is just shown the input data without the label data and is asked to extract the knowledge from this data. Now, let us talk about one example where a person uploads the photos on the social media website, and that social media website tries to organize all these pictures, and it groups the same pictures together and shows all the pictures of a same person together. So this is happening on Facebook, this is happening on the Google Photos, and lot many other social media platforms. So this is one example of unsupervised learning where we are clustering the similar photos together. Here, in our ducks example, unsupervised learning could be grouping the similar photos together. For example, what the algorithm is trying to learn is that all these birds have similar features, so should be clubbed together, whereas the third picture of rabbit should be clubbed together and the fourth picture should be separated out from all of these. So this is an example of unsupervised learning where we are grouping similar things together.